Have you ever wanted to have DIY projects for your kids that are safe? Well, don't worry, because we are here to tell you. We have 10 DIY projects that are kids safe for you today, so make sure to watch the video to the very end. With that being said, we hope you're excited as we are. We're gonna jump right into today's video. Number 10, a pencil friend. For this one, you're going to need to grab an Easter egg or something close to it. In our case, we used an Easter Kinder egg that comes in the chocolates. Use a hot glue gun to actually heat up the bottom of it. If possible, have some parent guardian watching you to do this. Grab a pencil and stab it into the inside of the egg. Grab a paintbrush and start painting it the same color of the pencil. For ours, it's yellow. Now, put some googly eyes on the egg, maybe even a smiley face, and hot glue the top of it. Glue something that looks like the head of it, and now you're all done. You can use it for items like an eraser. Number 9, gummy bear star. For this one, place some gummy bears in a cookie cutter star. Surround all of them in it and start melting them with a popsicle stick. For us, we actually used a hair dryer a little bit behind the scenes, but you can see the time lapse of it. Now you have a gummy bear sucker. Number 8, stuffed animal tissue. For this one, grab a stuffed animal that you don't use anymore and make 2 holes in them. One hole will be for stuffing the tissue box in, and the other end will be for pulling out the tissue. Put a pin or something to close the stuffed animal, sew it, and with the end that's left, start pulling it out and it works. You're done. Number 7, sponge friend. If you want to have a cute little buddy made out of a sponge, all you need is some clear elastics and a colorful sponge. Put the elastics in the middle of the sponge and on all 4 corners. Then place some googly eyes and a mouth and you're done. Look how cute your friend is. You can add a little ribbon as a collar if you'd want as well. Number 6, drawings on candles. Grab tissue paper and draw a picture or something. Once you do, you'll want to color this in because it's going on a candle and it makes it a little more illustrated. Once you're done with the image, cut it out with a pair of scissors and place it on the candle and put wax paper over it. Tape it on both ends, grab a hairdryer and start using it against the picture. Just like that, you are finished. Number 5, Oreos that look like sunflowers. If you want to switch up your Oreos to make them look a little more fun, all you need to do is dip them into some melted chocolate. Then, let it out to dry and get some frosting and shape it just like this. Freeze it, and then once it's done, put it on top of the Oreo, put some more melted chocolate and some sprinkles inside, and it looks just like a sunflower. Number 4, unlimited drawing. If you want to draw tons of pictures but constantly want to erase them, just put a piece of paper into a laminated sheet holder and use a dry erase marker on top of it. Then you can draw anything you want and just use some water to wash it off every time. Number 3, fun in the shower. For this one, grab a sheet to make some muffins or cupcakes and apply some shaving foam in each hole. Grab some food coloring and apply it to the foam and start mixing it. How fun does this look? Number 2, heart necklace. Grab 2 small pieces of Legos that could be used to form the shape of a heart and connect them. Grab 2 chains and connect them, and now you can have a friendship bracelet necklace with someone. Pretty cool. Now with all these cool things on this list, let's jump to number 1. Number 1, a box. Grab a box and cut the top half of it and put a blanket inside of it. Start taping stickers to it and other things to make it so super creative. On the top of the box, put markers and other things to kill a kid's boredom. What did you guys think of today's video? Have you ever tried any of these DIYs or hacks? That's all we have for you guys on Ready Set Viral today. If you enjoyed it, hit like and subscribe with post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because you'll love them just as much as this one. And we'll see you guys next time in a brand new video.